What if Excel could forecast your next 6 months of sales automatically? It can, with the trend function. Here's the sales data for one product from January to December 2025. 12 months, 1 full year, the ideal base for a clean forecast. Let's say you want to forecast monthly sales for 2026. Function trend is the solution. Trend fits a straight line through your existing data and extends it into the future. It's ideal when you want a quick, reliable projection based on past behavior. For instance, let's say you need the forecast for January to June 2026. To do this, start by creating a new table with empty cells, one for each month from January to June 2026. Now type the trend formula. The known Ys are your 2025 sales, so select the whole column. The known X's are the 12 months from 2025, for which you have sales data, so select the entire column containing the months. The new X's are the 6 months for which you need the forecast, January to June 2026, so select the first column from the new table inserted. Excel instantly generates your 6-month forecast. You now have predicted sales for January through June 2026, based entirely on your 2025 trend. If your 2025 numbers were rising, the forecast rises. If they were declining, the forecast follows that pattern. Use trend to turn last year's data into next year's predictions. Fast, simple, and incredibly useful. Thank you for watching the video. Please like if you found it helpful,